Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust column width in Mailchimp. This is a handy skill when you're designing email campaigns and need precise control over your layout to make your content look polished and professional across different devices. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Press enter and you'll land on the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. Sign in using your Mailchimp credentials to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll need to locate the campaign you want to edit. Click on Campaigns in the left side navigation panel. From there, select Email Templates. This will bring up a list of all the campaigns you have active or drafted in Mailchimp. Browse through your campaigns and select the one you want to work on. On the right side of your selected campaign, you'll see an Edit button. Click it, then click Edit Design to access the email content editor where you'll make your adjustments. Now you're in the content editor. In the content area, select the layout that contains the columns you want to adjust. This could be something like text over image or image plus text, depending on how your email is structured. Click on the specific column you want to resize to highlight it, or if needed, select the full row or section that contains the column. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the exact element you want to modify. Once you've selected your column, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find the Styles tab for that column. Under this tab, locate the padding controls. You'll see options labeled padding, left padding, and right padding. These controls are key to adjusting your column width. To make the column narrower, increase the left padding value. To make it wider, decrease the padding values. Play around with these numbers until you achieve the desired width that fits your design vision. After making your adjustments, it's crucial to see how everything looks. Use the Preview or Preview and Test option to view how your layout appears on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures your changes work well across different screen sizes and that your email maintains its visual appeal no matter where it's viewed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save or Save and Close to preserve your changes. From there, you can proceed to send or schedule your campaign as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your column width in Mailchimp, giving you better control over your email design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.